I am chocolate. The fridge creates moisture on my surface and changes my texture. My rich flavor slowly fades away. Keep me in a cool, dry place. I am watermelon. Fridge cold can reduce my natural antioxidants and sweet flavor. I taste best when stored outside before cutting. I am potatoes. Fridge cold changes my starch into sugar too fast. That can ruin my taste and texture when cooked. Keep me in a cool, dark place. I am olive oil. The fridge makes me thick and cloudy. I lose my smooth texture and become harder to use. Keep me at room temperature. I am peanut butter. The fridge makes me dry, thick, and difficult to spread. Keep me outside so I stay smooth and creamy.